How do people entertain themselves? There are many ways to rejoy ourselves, such as music, sports, dance, and many more. Dear children, do you like to dance? Have you ever wondered how the tribal people spend their free time? Yes, by dancing to the tunes of their folk songs. It is not just a dance for them, it is the symbol of their festivity and culture. ନୃତ୍ୟ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପର୍ବପର୍ବାଣୀ ତଥା ସଂସ୍କୃତିର ପ୍ରତୀକ ଅଟେ. So let us know more about the beautiful dances of the northeastern regions of India. SGP 3. Blessed with lush greenery and the mighty river Brahmaputra, the people of Assam have a lot to celebrate. Bihus are among the major cultural festivals of Assam. They are a series of 3 prominent festivals: Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu, and Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu, also known as Bohag Bihu, is celebrated in mid-April with the onset of spring and the beginning of the sowing season. It also marks the start of a new year there. Kongali Bihu or Kati Bihu is celebrated in mid-October when the fields are lush but the barns are empty. On this occasion, people light lamps and pray to God for a thriving harvest season and to guide souls to heaven. Bhogali, called Magh Bihu, is observed in mid-January. The festival symbolizes the end of the harvest season. It is a thanksgiving when the crops have been harvested and the barns are full. Notes and Glossary. SGP 3. Lush, dense, ghancha. Greenery, green foliage. Sabuja patra ba bruksha adi. Blessed with, having blessings. Krupa prapti jukta. Mighty, great, very large. ଏଠାରେ ବିଶାଳ ବା ବୃହତ୍ତମ. Major, important, ମୁଖ୍ୟ. Series, ଧାରାବାହିକ. Sowing, ମଞ୍ଜି ବୁଣିବା. Barns, ଖମାର, a place to store grains. Prominent, important, ପ୍ରମୁଖ. Onset, beginning of something. Thriving, prospering, successful. Soul, spirit, atma. Harvest, ଅମଳ କରିବା. SGP 4. Any Bihu celebration is considered incomplete without melodious folk songs and traditional dance. The Bihu dance is joyous one. Young men and women get in their best traditional attire and perform the dance with brisk steps and hand movement. The tune of traditional musical instruments including cymbals, bamboo clapper, dhol, which is similar to a drum, and the pepa, which is a wind instrument made of buffalo horn, add different kind of flavor to the dance as well as the atmosphere. The songs have been handed down through many generations. Notes and Glossary. SGP 4. Melodious, Shruti Madhura. Pleasant to hear. Folk songs. Loka Gita. Joyous. Festive. Ullasa Purna. Attire. Dressing. Poshaka. Brisk. Quick and energetic. Chanchala. Cymbals. Jhanja. A pair of round metal musical instrument. Bamboo clapper. बाउंशरे तियारी एक वाद्य यंत्र यथा दास काठिया. पेपा. मईशी सिंगरे तियारी एक वाद्य यंत्र. फ्लेवर. स्वाद आस्वाद. हैंड डाउन. उत्तराधिकार बा प्रथा अनुसारे देवा. Assam, a state among the seven sisters of India, is a paradise on earth. It is blessed with the mighty river Brahmaputra and is full of lush greenery. People of Assam celebrate many festivals. One of the major festivals they celebrate with much enthusiasm is Bihu. Bihu is a series of 3 festivals such as Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu, also known as Bohag Bihu, is celebrated in the mid-April. It marks the beginning of spring season. People start sowing their crop fields. It also tells that the new year has already begun. The next Bihu festival is known as Kongali Bihu or Kati Bihu. It is celebrated when the fields are filled with crops and they look lush green. The barns are empty. People light lamps and pray to God for a great harvest. Bhogali Bihu or Magh Bihu is celebrated in mid-January. It marks the end of harvest season. It is a thanksgiving to the god for the crops are harvested and the barns are full. People of Assam celebrate Bihu with melodious folk songs and traditional dances. They wear traditional dresses. Their dance steps are full of energy and they use musical instruments such as cymbals, bamboo clappers, dhol, and pepa. The Assamese people hand down their songs from generation to generation. Pronunciation. Uchcharana. Blessed. Harvest. Melodious. Joyous. Brisk. Attire. Buffalo. Flavor.